Hey Arjun, what are you cooking? Thank you for doing this, by the way, in the morning. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you like cooking this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we like eating your food too.
You bet.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, and then what do you do? What next?
We gotta
Pepper?
make sure this is like fully
Yeah.
white. That's weird.
Ooh, this looks yummy.
Mm-hmm.
And what? Pepper?
Now I gotta put salt in that.
What is that?
That's chili.
Chili. Mm-mm-mm.
Now it's salt.
Salt, here you go. That is too much or too less?
Enough.
Enough. Okay. I like it. I like that you know that. Good. Thank you, Arjun. Can't wait to eat it. Mm-mm-mm.
Acha, here's your food.
Oh, thank you, Arjun.
You're welcome.
Mm-mm-mm. And where are you going?
I'm going to get dishwasher.
To Mommy and Chichi?
Yeah.
All right, bye.
Bye. Cleaning up.
You're cleaning up? Oh, I'm so proud of you. Did you clean up? Wait, did you clean up the... Thank you, Arjun. Good job.